Hey guys, as you see in the picture, Zepto is giving free gift plus free cash. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have ordered some products on Zepto and we have got a free gift. You can check out the deal store, especially the electronic store at 39 rupees. Now we'll see what's the gift from Zepto, right? You can check out the binge gift also as shown in the picture if you're interested. Now let's see what's there in the gift box. Here comes scan the vibes. You can go for that if you want. The first product is active white from Shakti. This is detergent powder and it costs 5 rupees. The next product we have sambar powder from Sparsh. You can check out, it costs 10 rupees. And here you can see the hand plast. You want a quick recovery of your wounds, you got to put it on your skin as shown in the picture, and this is waterproof. You can check out. And here comes brew gold, and you can have coffee. It costs 3 rupees. The next product we have, the costly product, of course I have to say, no chemicals. This is a skincare product. In the summer, it's a boon for you and for me also to use this. It costs 99 rupees. No silicone, no parabens, no chemicals. This is from Lotus brand. You can check out. So there's no itching. It goes soft on your skin with no irritation. You can use it. Next we have Eno Bites. If you want to get away with acidity, you can chew this Eno Bites. And these are like candies or gums, I have to say. This is not recommended for age below 12 years. So this is how it looks. Pretty colorful, right? Okay, next we have Zepto. This is garam masala sachet. It costs 10 rupees. It's a good brand. You can check out my review video if you want. Next we have crunchy millet cones from Sapolo brand, and it says it's made with ragi, 50% less saturated fat. You can check out. It costs 20 rupees and it tastes really good. You can have them. So you can binge on guilt-free, right? Because these are tasty and healthy bites. And here comes the end of all items in the gift box. Now we'll see how to get this free gift from Zepto. Go to Zepto app and here you can see 100 free cash banner. You can click on that. This is conditional cash applicable at checkout as stated in the banner. So here you can go for Zepto Saver or Zepto, and you see here gift box. It says when you order 599 rupees worth of items, then a gift box will be added to the cart. Now you can go to electronics store where the deal starts at 39 rupees. You can check out. If you want gift, you can see this movie time box gift. You can add to cart if you want. Now you can go to cart and here it says you got to add 55 rupees to unlock Holi gift box. So get back, add few more products and come to cart. Once you come to cart, gift box would be added to the cart. Confirm it, and after confirming the gift box, you can go select free cash. After selecting free cash, you can come up and apply the coupons as shown in the picture. Once you apply the coupon, you can check out. That's it, done. You can enjoy gift from Zepto on the occasion of Holi. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.